This presentation will describe and demonstrate the main features of Mar-Kov Recipe Manager Pro for paints and coatings manufacturers. The main deliverables of the system are tracking your formulations, producing batch tickets, recording manufacturing results, and interfacing to QuickBooks. First, let's talk about how you can use the system to track your formulations. Recipe Manager Pro tracks your formulations and performs a variety of calculations based on the raw material information. Here I have my list of materials for a particular formula. I can add a new material to the list by selecting it from my list of raw materials. I can enter the quantity to be consumed in the formulation either by weight or by volume. Recipe Manager Pro tracks raw material costs, both standard and actual costs. Based on these raw material costs, it calculates the total and unit costs of production for the batch. So in this case, I'm going to be producing 100 gallons. The total actual cost is 2,113.187, and the unit actual cost, the cost per gallon, is 21.13. I can also view the costs for each packaging method for this product. Here I see that I have two methods of packaging this product, 5-gallon and 55-gallon. For the 5-gallon option, I'm going to use a 5-gallon pail and a 5-gallon lid so that I see my unit standard cost for producing one 5-gallon pail is $108.15. Recipe Manager Pro also does a variety of calculations for paint-specific values. VOC, percent pigment weight, percent silica weight, etc. These calculations are based on the information entered for each raw material. You can also specify instructions to be executed during the batch. These will be shown on the batch ticket. When I create a new manufacturing order, I can scale the order to any size batch. In this case, I'm going to scale it from 100 gallons to 550 gallons. You can also specify how much of each different package type you're planning to produce. In this case, I specified that I want 9 5-gallon pails and one 55-gallon pail. Once you've released your order, you can produce a batch ticket. Select from one of 6 standard batch ticket formats. Each batch ticket format is different. This variant shows each raw material quantity in grams, gallons, and pounds, has a space for batch additions, and shows your packaging requirements. This variant shows each raw material quantity only by pounds, but has a space for you to enter the actual amounts consumed. When the batch is complete, you can record actual results from batching. So for example, if for this first item, rather than consuming 729.925 pounds, the operator only consumed 780 pounds, I could record that fact. In addition, as an optional configuration option, you can record raw material lot numbers for each material consumed. Here, I've recorded raw material lot MF11122 for microbiocide. Recipe Manager Pro also features a full integration to QuickBooks. This includes updating your raw material information from QuickBooks, including raw material costs, and also exporting your manufacturing transactions. So when you've completed each manufacturing order, the materials are automatically consumed in QuickBooks and your finished goods are entered. As I've shown you, Recipe Manager Pro allows you to track your formulations, produce batch tickets, record results of manufacturing, and interfaces to QuickBooks. Please also keep in mind Mar-Kov supplies CMS, or Chemical Management System, which is a complete inventory control system for chemical manufacturers. It allows you to track your purchases, receiving, raw material and finished goods inventory, sales, and shipping, along with everything that Recipe Manager Pro provides. You can sign up for a 30-day trial at Mar-Kov.com or contact us directly at sales@markov.com.